here's the replacement cable, and looks like they also give you some more adhesive if you need it. I probably won't actually need to use it. So that's to replace that one. That's to replace that one. Yep. And that must be for the other side. Anyway, I don't think I'll actually need those. Okay, now I guess we need to fold this to the correct shape. That's going to slip in there. That's the only fold we actually need to make. So we'll just use the tape that's already there, and that's going to slide. This is my first YouTube video, folks, and I'm not a qualified service technician, I'm actually a musician. So the white strip has to go down in the correct position so that the pins all line up, and there's a piece that folds down that kind of clamps them in place once it's slotted in. And just make sure it's lined up properly. There we go. And now to get that green tape. Right, so there was a piece on the inside as well. Fiddly operation. And it gets taped down. Now we can replace what is it? This bit. Oh, this actually gets stuck down here as well. Right, so now we'll thread this through and replace this panel. Should just clip in place. We put the bottom in, the bottom plastic lugs in first. And it should clip in, and then we'll replace those 4 screws. Okay, next we're going to fold this piece over and position it here. Hopefully it will stick down from the tape that was on there. Now the fiddly bit, we're going to fold that over, actually make a fold there, it's designed to do that, and replace this section. Oops. And make sure that these the metal pieces underneath slot in. There we go. Just make sure that it's lined up properly underneath. Just double check that it hasn't moved. Now we need to turn this over and plug this into here. Replace our screws, so the 4 slightly flatter small screws. Actually, you need to replace the screws before you plug that piece in. I just discovered. Press that tape down. There's included replacement strips for that part of it as well. Okay, now we'll plug this back in again. And replace these 2 screws. Now we'll replace our rear panel. Almost finished. So to do this we need to put our Okay, we need to put our plastic buttons back. Remembering that on the right hand side we have the one with the switches, and that has to go this way. Sorry, this way. That's right. And the volume control goes on this side. So I'm putting the bottom down first. And then it should clip into place. And now we'll replace the remaining 7 screws. Okay, so we've put the screws back in and put the cover back on. Hopefully that's going to stay. Hopefully it doesn't need any more glue. Now we're going to replace our bits and hopefully the phone will work again. No guarantees. I've touched something I shouldn't have. sound again. That's good. Great. And the buttons are working again. Well, thanks for watching. Hopefully this has been helpful to you.